Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. We're coming with a video today, blending words together. Please encourage your child to make the sounds as I'm saying them, so like that they could hear it too and they could put it together. Alright, bonsoir parents. C'est Miss Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo. Côté ti moun yo apende, yo pral mette mots ensemble pour yo faire yon mot. OK? So, fè yo pratike, fè son yo pendant map répéter pour yo, comme ça pour yo ka tendel et pour yo ka comprendre ça m'a fait. When two sounds are blended together, for example, S, which makes S, and the N makes N, you put it together, it makes SN. It makes SN. Les deux sons mélangés ensemble, pour exemple, S fait S, N fait N, on était ensemble, les boys, SN. Okay, c'est ça nous pral faire pour vidéo. That's what we're going to do, putting sounds together, two sounds. Blend the sounds on each slide before sounding out the three nonsense words. Mettez trois sons yo qui ensemble, mettez sons yo ensemble avant nos limots yo. Okay, so let's talk about something about super cool digraph. Okay, these are digraphs. When you have consonant, all the letters we're gonna do, all the letters, the black letters, that we're going to do, the two letters that we're gonna do is gonna call digraph. So you're just imagining two letters together, come together. They come and they're walking together, like they're walking together, and then when they come together, they become stronger. So it's like saving the day. They become stronger. They have power. So that is what digraph is when two letters come together, stick together side by side to create a brand new sound. You won't hear when those letters on their own. So they make one sound. So that's mean the two letters gonna put together, they're gonna make one sound. Okay, for example, B says B, L says L. That's two sound, right? When we put them together, they make bl, bl. So that's one sound. All right, so let's go. We have B and L. Put it together. Bl. Let's read number one. Bl up. Bl up. Let's clap it. Blop. Bl on. That's number two. Bl on. Blon. Bl it. Bl it. That would be blit. Okay, now your turn to read for your mom. Number one. If you say blot, very good. Number two. If you say blonde, that's good. Number three. And if you say blit, very good. Let's see another one. We have two letters again, two consonants. We have P and L. So P said what? P says P. L said what? L says O. So we put it together, make one strong superhero. And what do they both say? What one sound do they make? Pull. Pull. Number one is pull. F. Put it together. Pluff. Number two, pull. Ub. Pull. Ub. Put it together. Plub. Pull. Ud. Pull. Ud. Put it together. Plud. Your turn to say it for your mom now. Number one. Very good. If you say pleth, very good. Number two. If you say plub, very good. Number three. If you say plud, very good. Let's go to the next one. We have the letter T and we have the letter R. T say T, R say R. That's two different sounds. Let's put it together. It's going to make one sound. It's going to say trrr, trrr. Okay, number one, trrr, N, trrr, N. Put it together. Tren. Number two, trrr, in, trrr, in. Put it together. Train. Number three, trrr, af, trrr, af. Put it together. Traff. Very good. Parents, while this is the best time to subscribe to the channel, this is the best time to subscribe to the channel so when I make the new videos, so you get to get the new videos to help your child become to read. So go ahead, boys and girls, while your mommy and daddy is subscribing, go ahead and make the sound. Before you make the sound, number one, if you say trend, excellent. Number two, if you say trend, very good. Number three, if you say traff, very good. The next two letters we have B, that says B. We have R, that says R. Put it together, brr. Put it together, brr. As in brr. Number one, brr, af, brr, af. Put it together, braff. Brr, ib, brr, ib. Put it together, brib. Number three, brr, uck, brr, uck. Put it together, bruck. Your turn to read for your mom. Number one. Very good. If you say braff, very good. Number two. If you say brib, brib, very good. Number three. If you say bruck, bruck, very good. Kiss your brain, very good. The next one we have, the next two letters we have is S, L, S, L. S say S, L say L. Put it together, sl, sl. Number one, sl, if, sl, if, sliff. Number two, sl, ub, slub, slub. Number three, slud, slud, slud. Okay, now your turn to read to your mom and dad. Number one, very good. Sliff, very good. Number two, slub, very good. Number three, very good if you say slud. Very good. The next two letters, we have S-T. S says S, T say T. Put it together. St. Put it together. St. St. Number one, stug. 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 Number two, all. All. Stall. Number three, ed, ed, stead. Now your turn to read for your mom and dad. Number one, good job, stud. Number two, good job, stall. Number three, stead. Good job. Number one again is what? Stug. Very good. Kiss your brain. All right. Now we have the two letters that makes the letter that we have the letter G And we have the letter L. Put it together. It'll makes what? Gl. 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 Gl as in number one, gl, F, gl, F, glef, gl, it, glit, and gl, odd, glod. All right, your turn to do number one. Gl, F, good. Number two, gl, it, very good. Number three, glod, very good. Number one is what? Gleph. Number two is what? Glyph. And number three is what? Glod. Let's do GR. GR, say grr, grr. As number one, let's do grr. Grr is, grizz. Number two, grr up, grop, grek, grek. Let's do it again. Number one, gr is. Number two, gr up. Number three, gr ek. Very good. Now we have two letters, the F and the R. F say fr, F say f, excuse me. F says f, R say r. Put it together. Fr, fr as number one, fr in, frin. Number two, ut as in frut, all as in frawl. Let's read number one again. Frin. Number two, fraught. Number three, frawl. We have two letters again. We have letter P. P says P. R say R. Put it together. Pr. Put it together. Pr. Number one say pr. Ought. Pr. Ought. Prot. Number two, pr. Ub. Pr. Ub. Prub. Number three, pr. Ud. Pr. Ud. Prud. Let's read them again. Number one, prot. Number two, prob. Number three, prod. Let's do the two letters. One of the foundational skills that the children need to learn. If you notice that I did, these words are nonsense words. If your child could read these nonsense words, they will learn when it comes to read long vowel sound words or real words, they'll be able to do it. Be consistent and watch with them. Watch the sounds they're making. As a matter of fact, you could pause the video and have them read the words to you without hearing me. So like that, they become accustomed to saying it themselves. Parmi yo, merci de ce que nous t'ai gardé vidéo. Pas oublier bien que pas oublier que fait moun yo regarder vidéo en tout temps comme ça pour yo connaître son yo, pour yo habituer à son yo. Ou donc on même poser vidéo côté yo pas tande m'a parler puis yo même ya li mot pour ça c'est une skill que ti moun yo besoin pour yo kon li ça c'est une foundation skill que yo besoin pour yo kon li mot mba yo c'est mot qui pas fait sens si yo ka li mot pas fait sens yo kab apprendre li mot qui normal et bien c'est tout ça mes Jerome pour nous. À bientôt. Well, parents, that's all I had for you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.